guys, and welcome back to Kingdom Living at Home. Today I am going to be preparing lasagna. This is definitely something that I have not made in a long time, so this is going to be a treat. The only thing that I hate is that I actually forgot to get garlic bread because I love to have garlic bread with lasagna. And also I did not get any salad. So you guys, here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to prepare my lasagna. I'm going to be using ground chicken. I'm also going to be using, of course, the lasagna noodles. I have my pasta sauce. I have my 2 cheeses. I don't usually use the Italian blend. I usually use mozzarella, but I wanted to kind of do something different. So I have my Italian blend and I have my mild cheddar shredded cheese. I also have my green bell pepper, and I still have a half of an onion that I'm going to be using. That's actually my oven letting me know that it has preheated. I have it preheated on 350 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy this video.